gives us energy to do the work. What kind of work do we do? We read, we write, we watch TV, we play, we eat food. Even to eat food you need, you take bath, you lift some of the things and keep it aside. You want to run, you want to sing, you want to dance. So for everything what is needed, energy is needed. Even to hear this session, you want to sit in one chair, you have to listen to the class, you want to copy down what all points I am telling you. So for all those things, what is needed? Energy is needed. So where do we get the energy from? We get energy from food. Which food actually gives us lot of energy is both carbohydrate and fat. When compared to carbohydrate, fat, that is nothing but ghee, oil contents, nuts. Nuts everyone have heard, almond, walnut, cashew nut, right? So all these things gives us energy. So which are the examples for fats? So the example for fats are what? Nuts you can take, oil seeds you can take, okay? So those are the examples of fats. Groundnut, coconut, dry coconut, nuts such as almond, cashew, walnut, okay? Oil seeds you can take, olive oil, right? And the products of all these. I have muted everyone. At the end, I will unmute you all. Okay. So all these things will give us energy. So which are the major sources of food that give us energy? Which are those two? I can read your lip movement. Which are those two? Carbohydrates and fats. So they are known as energy giving food. What are carbohydrate known as? What are carbohydrate known as? They are known as energy giving food. They are known as energy giving food because they help us to do many work. Lot of work we do because we take carbohydrate and fat. Similarly, students, now we will take for protein. We also tested for protein. Protein is also a source of nutrient. From where do we get protein? Few examples. Fish. Fish will give us protein. Meat will give us protein. Vegetarians, milk. Milk will give us protein. The products of milk like paneer, curd. Okay. All those things give us protein. Egg. Egg, everyone, most of you will eat egg. So even egg is rich with protein. Why? Elders will tell or the doctors will suggest small children to eat milk properly, to drink milk properly. To drink milk, why? Why do they tell? They tell because it helps for the growth of the body. Don't raise your hands. At last I will ask you, I told you. It helps for the growth of the body. Similarly, those who are non-vegetarians, doctor also suggests to eat 1 egg per day. 1 egg per day, or to drink half liter of milk per day. Why? Because it helps. At least twice you have to drink milk, no? Morning and night, or morning or evening. At least twice everyone will drink milk. Why should we drink milk? It helps our body to grow. We have to gain height. We have to become fat. Not completely fat. At least you should be little bit fat. So how it helps? So it helps for the growth and repair of the body. If the cells are not proper, body is made up of cells. So cells are provided by the nutrient, that is protein. So it helps in the repair of the body and also growth of the body. So what is the role of protein? It helps the growth and repair of the body. Understood? Clear? Fine. Similarly, we also got to know that vitamins are there. We also got to know that vitamins are there. Vitamins are also nutrients. Minerals are also nutrients. So why should we take vitamins? Why should we take vitamins? Why should we take what vitamins? They help us to fight against any disease. So vitamins make us strong by fighting against the diseases, by protecting our organs. Eye should be proper, eye should be healthy. Skin should be healthy, skin should be charming, right? Bones should be strong. Teeth should be clean, teeth should be strong, so that we can tear the food, we can chew the food properly. What is helping to do all these things? What is helping to do all these things? Vitamin is doing. Okay, what is doing? Vitamin is doing. So there are many types of vitamin. You can write there. You can write there. Vitamin A is there. Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D. Okay, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E for elephant. Vitamin K for king. K for kite, written. Okay, so these are the major vitamins that are needed for the body. Okay, so what does vitamin A do? You have to give five example for each vitamin. Now what you have written tomorrow? Five example for vitamin A, D, A, C, D, E, K. B also you write. Vitamin B complex, B. Okay, five example for food which gives us these vitamins. Okay, so they should be taken in very small quantity. They should be taken by the body in small quantity. Vitamin A, it helps us to keep our skin and eyes. For what it helps? Skin and eyes to function properly. To keep skin and eyes healthy. Healthy for skin and eyes. If you take vitamin A food properly, your skin and your eyes will be sharp. Your eyes will be sharp. Your eyes will be healthy. Your skin will be glowing. You will be very beautiful looking. You'll be looking very smart. If your skin is good, you'll be looking smart. Right? So which vitamin you have to take to keep your skin and eye healthy? You have to take vitamin A. Similarly, vitamin C. Vitamin C is used to fight against diseases. You'll get cough, cold frequently. When the climate is changed, what will happen? You may get fever. If you are going somewhere here and there, water is being changed, you may get cough, you may get cold. Okay, because of bacteria, virus and all. To fight against the disease, if you take vitamin C rich food, you can easily fight against the diseases. Yeah, Ashik, tell me. Okay, similarly, one more thing I think I will complete. Similarly, vitamin D is used to give calcium to your body. Why is calcium needed to the body? What is bones made up of? Calcium. What is teeth made up of? Calcium. Bones and teeth. To keep your bones and teeth strong, which vitamin is needed? vitamin D is needed. Vitamin D is needed. Okay? Clear, students? Fine. Okay, students, clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone should
Yes,
listen.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down the homework there, every one of you. I'm telling the homework for today. Write it. List, L-I-S-T, list 5 food. List 5 food which provide. List 5 food which provide vitamin vitamin List 5 food which provide PROVIDE, which provide vitamin A, comma B, A, comma B, comma C, comma D, E, A, B, C, D, E, right there. And K for kindred. Okay, written. So you have to, what you have to do? 5 food items for each, right there. For each. List the 5 food items which provide vitamin A, B, C, D, E, K, each. K. For each vitamin you have to write 5 food items. Okay. And one more thing. What it protects. Understanding? From vitamin A, it keeps us, our skin and eye healthy. Right? Similarly, what are the functions of other vitamins? What are the functions of vitamins? Right there. Next question. What are the functions of vitamin A, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, K? One function. Why we have to take that vitamin? Clear, students? Clear? You have to send me today. Okay. Fine? Done? Okay, students. So minerals, one more nutrient is mineral. So minerals also help to the growth of the body, and also it keeps us it keeps our body in a proper condition. Okay, it gives us good health, and it also helps in the growth of the body. So we have to take minerals, but minerals are provided in less quantity. Okay. Okay, time up, students. Will continue in the next class. Fine. Homework you have to do, and what all I have told today you have to remember and come for tomorrow's class. Bye bye. Tomorrow I will show you the video of what all I explained. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.